Welcome to week 2, day 2 lesson. If you watched week 2, day 1, I gave you a lot of helpful hints on how to do long division, and you can apply those helpful hints to number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 here. It's just straight up long division, and you have to be careful of what question they are asking you. Like for number 5, if you look at number 5, it's asking you how many cars would not be able to be placed on a lot. You've got 1,549 cars, and they're going to be parked in 17 different parking lots. And if each lot received the exact same number of cars, how many cars could not be able to be placed in the lot? So you're looking for some kind of a remainder. So you're going to do 1,549 divided by the 17. You can take the 17 and skip count it down the side like I showed you in the last video, like this, and just skip count your divisor down. It's easier to do it that way. That way you feel less pressure when you are doing your division. Number 6, however, tends to be a big question. Now, the length of a suitcase is 19 3/4 inches. And the area of the suitcase is 266 5/8 square inches. What is the width? So anytime you're talking area, you got to know the formula in your head is length times width or base times height. It's the same thing. Sometimes area can be seen written both ways. So that means I have the area, that's 266 5/8, and it's telling me that the length is 19 3/4. So actually what I'm looking for is the W. You can do this one of two ways. I'm just going to do it head on. I'm going to take the 266 5/8 and I'm going to divide it by the length that they have given me. The length, oops, that should be a division symbol. I'm sorry. Should provide me the width. That bothers me. Let me fix it. There we go. So once again, if you remember from module 4, you cannot divide a mixed number by a mixed number. You have to put it in an improper fraction. So what I'm doing is I'm setting it up. My denominators are my numerators. No, my denominator is not going to change. My numerator is what's going to change. So to get that, I have to multiply 8 times 266. Let me do some side work. Let me see it. Yep. And then I have to add my numerator piece, okay? So 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 8 is 48 again, plus 4 more. And then 8 times 2, 16 plus 5. And then I have to go back and add my numerator pieces. That puts them all back in pieces again. That's 13. So I get 2,133. I know that's a big number. It doesn't matter. We can handle those. And then I have to do the same to the other side. 19 times 4. 76 plus my pieces I have here. Can't forget those guys. So I have 79. Now, I'm in AB divided by AB. I'm ready to do keep, change, flip. Keep the first term, change to multiplication, flip the second term, which is my divisor. Look for cross reduction. I'm going to divide both of those by 4. That becomes a 1. That becomes a 2. Now, something tells me when I look at this 9 and 3 here, something tells me that I'm going to be close. So if I take the 3 times the 7, I'm going to get 21. And I just have a feeling about this. But I think if I do 30 It's going to be 30 times. It's going to be less than that. Let's try 27. Because 7, yep, okay. 79 times 27. Because I know that this is going to cross reduce. I just have a gut feeling about that. 7 times 9 is what, 63? 49, 55. Bring my 0 down. 18, carry my 1. 2 times 7 is 14, that's 15. I'm still in the picture, yeah. 11. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that goes in there once, and that goes, 79 goes into 2,133, 27 times. So here's my new problem. 27 over 2 times 1 over 1. As we know, the 1 over 1 goes away because it's just 1. Anything times 1 is at anything. So actually, I'm done right here, right? But I'll go ahead and write it out. 27 over 2, and I have to simplify that. I know it's going to be more than 10, so 2, 4, 6, it's going to be 13. I don't have room here. 13, oops. Goodness, 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 goodness. 13 is my whole number. So 13 times 2 would be 26. It uses up 26 of them, and it leaves 1 left over. So my width is going to be 13 and a half. And of course, that is a selection. But like I said, if you got this wrong and you need to work it all back out again, I'm serious. I'm not going to reset you until I see that you've done this, because this is definitely a foundation you must carry on to your next grade level. Thank you for watching.